Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2017 Kawasaki Ninja 1000 ABS. This is Kawasaki's full-size sport touring motorcycle. Has the 1031cc inline 4-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This bike has very low miles. This bike only has 1,749 miles on the odometer. Bike is all stock and in great condition, very clean. ABS brakes all the way around. This bike is very comfortable sport touring with upright handlebars, comfortable for the long haul. Makes great power, handles great. This bike has a factory transferable warranty, good through January 2019. It is a great deal at only $96.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach out 408-730-0600.